Now we finished with the sensing tab, and we're going to move on to looking at control. So again, remember this is wait, I can code wait 1 second and I could add and then move forward. So again, I'm going to use that in conjunction with something else. In the control tab, this is the repeat tab. So this is where I'm going to add in my actions that maybe I want them to move forward, I want them to turn left, and then go backwards. And that will repeat for as many times as I want it to within my code. And then in control, there is also forever. So if I said that I wanted these to happen forever, it is not going to stop unless I add the stop or add another code within there. So remember, forever means it's going to happen forever. So I might put that within there. The repeat tab is going to repeat this 4 times forever. So I would then need to add some type of action to stop that at some point in time. And then also within the control tab is the if then statement. So if I'm going to pull up a couple things, just, if it moves forward at a power of, oops, I'll have that underneath there. But the if then statement allows something to happen. If the line follower code does that, then I want something else to happen. So an if then statement, and I might pull other things into my if then statement. And then in control is also if then or else. So I could have an if then happens. If that doesn't happen, then this should happen. So if then or else. I can wait until, so that's wait until that button is pressed for me to use that, or I can add other information in there. I can repeat until, so repeat until something happens, and I can add that in there as well. And there is stop everything. So if I want to make sure that all my code stops at the end, I can always add that in there. So all the control functions will have to be added with a sensing, an action, a show, or a looks, having to have something in there in order for these to work. But that's you will learn how to create those control functions as well.